Smart fuel, daily flow. You're eating, you're sleeping, but you're still tired. Why? Fatigue isn't always about how late you stayed up. Sometimes it's the food on your plate or what's missing from it. Here are 10 surprising reasons your energy is drained and how to fuel up the right way. 1. You're not eating enough magnesium. Magnesium powers over 300 reactions in your body, including energy production. Low levels equals low energy, even if you sleep 8 hours. Eat more spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and dark chocolate. 2. Your gut is inflamed. If your gut is inflamed, it steals energy to heal instead of fuel your day. Watch out for bloating, constipation, or brain fog. Add probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Avoid sugar and processed oils. 3. You're relying on coffee instead of nutrients. Caffeine gives the illusion of energy, but it doesn't replenish your body. If your breakfast is a latte and vibes, you're setting yourself up for a crash. Try matcha with oats, chia pudding, or a banana and nut butter combo. 4. You're low on iron. Iron carries oxygen to your cells. Without it, your body operates like a low battery. Common signs: cold hands, shortness of breath, and hair loss. Eat lentils, leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, or talk to your doctor about a blood test. 5. You're not eating enough protein in the morning. Carbs spike insulin. Protein sustains you. Swap cereal for Greek yogurt, eggs, or a smoothie with hemp and chia seeds. You'll feel steady instead of spiking and crashing by 10 a.m. 6. You're skipping healthy fats. Fats don't make you fat. They fuel your brain. Avocados, olive oil, walnuts, and fatty fish help regulate hormones and brain function. If you're eating low-fat everything, your energy may be tanking because of it. 7. You're not hydrating with electrolytes. Water is essential, but without minerals, it doesn't get absorbed. Add a pinch of sea salt, lemon, or electrolyte powder to your morning water. Hydration isn't just about drinking, it's about retaining. 8. You're eating foods that spike inflammation. Refined seed oils, added sugar, processed snacks. These trigger inflammation and drain your cells. Replace them with turmeric, berries, salmon, ginger, and greens. 9. Your blood sugar is on a roller coaster. Energy crashes equals unstable glucose. The fix? Pair every carb with fiber, fat, or protein. Oatmeal, add nuts. Toast, add avocado. Fruit, add chia. 10. You're undereating. Yes, really. Undereating is still stress. If your body thinks food is scarce, it slows everything down. Mood, digestion, metabolism. Eat enough. Eat consistently. Fuel your body like it's working with you, not against you. Here's the truth. Energy doesn't come from caffeine or hustle. It comes from balance, blood sugar, minerals, and food that works for you. Subscribe to Fuel and Flow 6 if you're tired of being tired. Smart fueling starts here. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Fuel and Flow 6. Email fuelandflow6@gmail.com.